Hey, it's James Nicholson, just here in Oklahoma City at the moment, just leaving shortly to head down to Amarillo in Texas. And question I get asked a lot on social media is, what's the first person that you should hire in your business? Now, this might seem weird, but I think that one of the first people that you should hire in your business is someone to help you at home. You see, often you can get logged down in all the chores of running your home. So things like the cleaning and stuff like that, and maybe gardening and stuff like that. And so if you could take that out of your week, then that's going to give you more time to work on your business. And working on your business rather than in your business is one of the keys to get your success at a faster rate. And when I say working on your business, I'm talking about working on marketing strategy and how to get and keep customers, right? So if you can free up a few more hours every week to do that, then that's really going to get you faster results. So one of the people that you can hire to help you a little bit, and it's one of the cheapest hires, which is why it's often one of the best ones to start with, is a cleaner at home. And having a cleaner at home is really a £10 task, right? It's not something that as an entrepreneur you should be looking to do in your business. And getting that hired help in for £20 a week will allow you to be able to produce income generating time. So that 2 hours extra that you free up in the week, rather than going out and doing stuff for clients, you just use that time to work on some marketing, and that will bring more clients in, and that will help you generate more income that will easily pay for that £20 a week for that cleaner. So let me know, what do you think? If you're liking these videos and you want to follow along on this trip down Route 66 that I'm currently doing, then give me some likes, give me some hearts, subscribe to the page, like the page, whatever platform that you're on. And if you haven't still yet got my book, Expert Mastery, make sure you grab a copy. It's totally free. All you've got to do is pay for the shipping. And I'm going to put a link to that. So above this video, below this video, there will be a link. Click on that link, grab a copy of Expert Mastery today, and that'll be with you very, very soon. Bye for now.